Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment. It's YO22 Excel Business Unit 5 Assessment 1 Hotel Reservation and Room Rates Analysis. That's our assignment name. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel. Open the downloaded file name Excel BU05 PS2 Hotel Reservations. The reader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file where you are sorting your file. That's our file. I have already opened my file. That's my file. Reservation data file. We will start to our second step. You will need to import reservation data from the hotel in order to clean the data for the further analysis. On the reservation data worksheet, establish a connection for the text file Excel BU05 PS2 reservation data text get and transform. So we will go to here, then the data file. We will select from text or CSU file and go where you have put your text file with this given with this assignment. I have already put it the file in my required folder, so I will find this one or do. That's our reservation data file. I will import this one. That's now opening. And what is he saying? We need to transform the data. That's our power query editor now. What is he asking in the third step? Split the data in the individual column using the tab character as a delimiter and use the first row of the data as a heading. So we will select this one. We will go to the split column and by delimiter we will select, and here we will select as a tab, press OK. So we have split our columns to different column, our one column to different column. And what he asked, our first row will be our the row heading, so we will select this one as a use the first row as a header. So we have make the first row as a header. That's our third step. In our fourth step, what is he asking? Ensure that the data types for the check-in date and check-out date are the field or date. So we just need to ensure it's already in the data. So you will go to the chain type and you see we have already data type, date data type, and also checkout date. You will check this one as a data type as a date. So that's correct. That's our fourth step. In our fifth step, what is he asking? Clean the non-printable character from the guest name field. They may not be visible in Power Query Editor but will be visible in the Excel if not removed. On the Transform tab in the text column group, use the clean function under format. So we will select the guest name column. That's our guest name column. So we will right click on our mouse and go to the transform, and here we will select the clean. So it's now clean with the non printable materials. So that's our fifth step. In our sixth step, what is he asking? Extract the first name, middle name and last name from the guest name into three new columns: first name, last name and middle name in that order. So we will go to the guest name, and here we will select the split column and select the delimiter and use the column delimiter, and it's now diverted into two columns. And now we will select the other column guest name 2 and we will select the split column by delimiter, and we will use a space delimiter and press OK. So our now it's uh, divided into three columns we need to delete the extra column which are created during the space by space delimiter. So we have removed that one. We have removed that column. And what is he asking? Make then this names as a first name, middle name, and last name. So we will rename that one column headers. We will first make this one as a first name. The second one, we will make this one as a middle name. And third one, we will make this one as a last name. That's our last name column. And what is he asking? Close and load the data into A1 of the reservation data worksheet. So we will go to the select this one, close and load to. We will select the existing worksheet and is equal to A1 of the this worksheet. So our data is now importing. That's our data. We have got our data in our sheet, A1 sheet. That's our 7th step. We have total 20 steps in this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. I will show you the final form of this assignment. When you complete this one, this will look like that. I will show you uh, uh, this assignment to you. When you complete this assignment will look like that. You see, we have different. That's our reservation data worksheet. That's our scenario summary worksheet. That's our rates scenario worksheet. That's our grand villa analysis worksheet. It will look like that when you complete that one assignment. So if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And if you need help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, you can contact me also. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.